grade 3. Hope so you all are fine. Grade 3, we are doing our unit force. We are doing our unit light, sound and force, and we are going to read today topic force. The person in the picture are trying to move the things, say whether they are pulling or pushing the things. First I will show you that I have table in front of me, and in this way I push it, clear, and in this way I pull this table. So this is the pushing, this is the pulling. Now you have to carefully look in the picture and you have to write. First is the pushing, second is also pushing, third is also pushing, fourth one is pulling, fifth one is also pulling, and the last one is pushing. You have to write these on your book. Next, you can see that the people are trying to move the things either by pulling or pushing. When we push or pull something, we apply force. Like I push the table, I apply force. I pull the table, I apply force. In this way, they all are applying force, and we do work by applying force. Force can do many things. Force can move an object, like you see when a boy hit the football, it moves. Force can stop a moving object. If we want to stop the football, we also apply force to stop it. Force can change the direction of a moving object. Like from here, the boy is hitting shuttle and shuttle will go other side. So its direction will be changed. In the same way, when you see at page number 82, you see some other things that force can do. Lift, like this woman is lifting a baby. Break, you can break something with the help of force. You can bend something with the help of force. You can turn, like I turn the page with the help of force. You can twist anything with the help of force, and squeeze anything with the help of force, and change shape. Like if we blow balloon, its shape change. It is also due to force. Some natural forces like wind and water also move things. We also use man-made machines like cranes to move things. Clear? After this, after doing reading of page number 81 and 82, you have to circle the pictures. You have to circle the pictures of pushing with blue and pulling with red. Like if I tell you an example, the boy is pushing this door because he is coming inside, he is pushing the door. So you have to circle this boy with blue color. Clear? In the same way, you have to circle all this with for pushing with blue color and for pulling with red color. Do work carefully and have a nice day, dear students. Allah Hafiz.